In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Brother MFC-L2820DW to your Wi-Fi network. So let's get started right away. Make sure your printer is power on and we'll go on the touchscreen display. On the display, we're gonna tap on this Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of the screen. Then you're gonna select Find Wi-Fi Network. I'm going to wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around the printer. It will give you a list. You can use the arrows to go up and down, and once you find your Wi-Fi network, you simply need to click on it and then press OK. Type the password. If your password has numbers or symbols, you have a small button over here that you can switch between the different keyboards. Once your password has been typed, press OK, and you'll get the connected confirmation that everything is fine. Press OK, and this is it. Your printer is now connected. You can press the home button over here, and as you see down below, you're gonna have the Wi-Fi icon showing you that your printer is now connected. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to comment as well.